This is my Airzeen R7 robot vacuum cleaner, and I'm really impressed with this thing. I've only had it for a short while, and I'm able to get it cleaning my whole house, where to get it started, you plug the charging base into the wall and you set the unit on it. It comes with a remote. I can press the button to get it working. I could also use the buttons on the vacuum itself, and it comes with an app as well. It's amazing where each time you use it, it seems to get smarter, where it's going around and mapping the obstacles in the room and doing a very good job of cleaning my house. I came with a quick start guide that clearly explains what needs to happen to get it going, and again, you just plug it in and you put the vacuum on the base, install the brushes, and you press a button and it's good to go. It recharges itself when it's done. It also came with an extra filter, extra brushes, and cleaning tools. The operating manual came with very clear and concise instructions on it. So I'm very impressed with this thing. So let's see it work. So I'm going to hit the start button here, and off it goes. The remote, I can control the direction of the device. I can rotate it one way. I can rotate it another way. And basically use it like the remote control car to take it to the areas that I want it to get clean. I find that it has worked really well on both hardwood floors and tile. It varies its suction based on need, where if it's on a hard surface, it doesn't have as much power to save the batteries, and then if it's on a carpet, it'll power up even more. And then when you're done, there's a remote where you can just push the button and it'll return to its charging point. Overall, I'm impressed with this thing. Just within a moment or two, I was able to get this thing running. It seems like a very durable, well-made device. It's very well documented. It has plenty of spare parts, and I am going to enjoy having a clean, dust-free floor for years to come. Thanks for watching my review.
Hey guys, today I'm doing a quick review of the Airzeen robot vacuum cleaner. Great addition for your rooms in your house. This one, I have it on my hallway here, so it's just to make sure that it cleans pretty much everything in that area. So I'll give you a quick view of how it works and what comes with it. As you can see, the box brings instruction manual, a quick manual. It does have 2 additional brushes, which is a big plus, an additional filter, which is good. Most of the other ones, and a cleaning brushes there as well. Sorry, some of this stuff is just additional items that came to protect the packaging. But yeah, it pretty much brings additional items that you can use in the future, so it will last you a long time. Here's a quick view of her cleaning protection. I apologize for the background noise. My dogs are reacting to the vacuum, but I love the fact that she goes around and clean everything very nicely. And as you can see, she is getting closer and closer my way. Once she did clean that, so continue. I've used it 3 times already, and it does a better job than other ones that I have had in the past, because this one kind of like goes over the spots more frequently, so you can get a better cleaning. So it's highly recommended. Here's a video. She's going returning back to the base. As you can see, I have a remote control, and that makes things so easy. Here's my little boy. And she found it super quick. So now she goes back in and charges herself. And all you need to do is basically just clean off the dust that she collected. Other than that, great vacuum, very affordable. I highly recommend it. Guys, give it a try.
Got the R7 Airzeen robot vacuum cleaner. On the back is the packing list. Got the vacuum, charging dock, adapter, brushes, filter, mopping cloth, and the tanks, the user guides. Just open. Start, we have the quick start guide. Pretty simple instructions. The user manual, as well as the Airzeen instructions. The vacuum itself looks pretty good. Wheels are rather large. Let's see. This is the dock. Remote control. Both brushes. So they just snap in. The other brushes. And the brush to clean the device, as well as it's like a box cutter, and probably to clean the brushes as well. AC adapter and batteries for the remote.
Pick it up. Pumpkin seed, done. So the Airzeen R7 has been running around the house clean. Goes right over carpets, no issues. Worked all the way through. It comes with a remote so you can control where it goes. Its sensitivity is strong. Even I let it go into a corner here, even as it goes into a corner, it'll find its way out. Clean up the dog food, and then keep on going.
clearly see the coffee grounds. Nice little. Hit play. And turn the speed up. Easily sucks it up. Great little machine.